It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Hey, Saints, it's Anthony Rose. We've got a really cool country swing pattern for you. This is intermediate, probably more advanced than anything else. We think you guys are going to like this a lot. We have really been enjoying creating things in country swing. So once we discovered there actually is a rhythm and a structure and everything, we've been playing with this a lot. We think you guys are going to like this a lot. Now, if you're brand new here at the channel, welcome. We post all of the country dances from two-step, country swing, West Coast swing, all that. But you're going to notice this little button down here and it says subscribe. Now, if you click that button, then you become an X-Dancer and you'll know when all the awesome stuff happens here on the channel. So we'll demonstrate what we're going to teach you, and then we're going to teach you. All right, guys, here's what we're learning today.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
Guys, we got a lot going on with this pattern. If you are brand new at country swing, this is probably not a good pattern to start with. Probably watch that video first. That'll kind of take you through the basics, the basic rhythm, structure, and all that stuff. If you haven't watched that, be sure you watch at least that, okay? So now we've got some basics in, and then there's gonna be a lot of syncopations and weird stuff, that rhythms and stuff you're gonna do with the feet, and we're gonna try to break them down along the way, but we are not going to break down the basics. So again, be sure you've watched that basic video first. So first thing we're gonna do is a basic alternating turn, which is slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Now from there, we're gonna give her a syncopated inside turn. Leaders, you're just gonna go slow, quick, quick, as she does a triple step and quick, quick. So he's stepping for slow as she does a triple step, and then we both rock step, followers back with the left foot, leaders back with the right, okay? So we'll show you that much again. That is slow, quick, quick, slow. Now we have a triple step, quick, quick, okay? So you notice her rhythm has changed. Instead of just doing a slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick like normal, leaders, you're gonna give her an extra bit of a umph, if that's a real thing. You're gonna give her more turn off of that rock step so that she knows she's doing a double turn. And if you want her to do a double turn, not just in this, but in all things, that's usually gonna be a triple step because they're equivalent rhythmically and structurally, okay? So again, you have a slow, quick, quick, slow. Now you're giving her more here for a triple step. Switch the hand on that rock step, okay? From here, she's gonna do another turn. I'm gonna be rotating to my left. I'm gonna keep this right hand.
Another double.
She's gonna be doing a triple step, which is another double turn as he takes one step again, so that's rock step, and then we have a triple step for her as he steps one time, and then we rock step. So she's essentially switching to the other side. I do wanna show you that close up. So once we've gotten her over to the side, she's gonna be rocking back with her left foot as I rock back with my right. Now what's gonna happen is I'm gonna start to rotate off of that rock step. So you have a rock, go, all right? So you notice my shoulders actually start rotating on the second half of that rock step. So it is a rock, go. I'm beginning to rotate my shoulders. My hand is down, I've gotta take it up. As I continue to rotate, I have one step, but I've gotta lead her over the head for a triple step, and then we have that rock step again. So if we watch that again from this side, she's rocking back with the left and rocking back with the right. That's rock, go, triple step, rock, step. All right, so that's rock step, I go, she comes over the head for triple step, rock step. Now she's gonna be doing, from this point, she's gonna be turning inwards, so I'm gonna be bringing that hand inwards as I work my way around her. We both have one step for a slow, and I'm gonna be catching her on that shoulder. So rock, step, and slow. I've caught her over top of her shoulder, and then I'm gonna begin to rotate underneath. Guys, we got some tour dates for you guys. We actually have the pleasure of actually having some of our good friends. We've got BJ from Country Soul, Adia from Adia Dance, and we've also got the Country Nomads coming in. If you enjoy country swing, these are some of the best. But click that link right there. It's gonna be May 21st, 22nd, and 23rd in Houston, San Antonio, and Dallas-Fort Worth. We've got some live boot camps. We'd love to see you guys there. Leaders, I'm gonna go ahead and let you know, this is where it gets tough, okay? It's this part of this pattern that takes this from what I consider a novice to intermediate pattern to more of an advanced pattern. This one singular step, okay? So we have rock step, and then we have slow. Now here's where it's gonna get weird. I've got my hand on her shoulder. I'm gonna begin to rotate under as I basically do a fan with that leg. Take her to the other side. I step, and step, rock, step. All right, so I'm just gonna let you watch how weird this footwork is for the leaders. That's rock, step. I'm gonna step for slow, and then I'm gonna turn all the way around that foot. Rock, step. Leaders, I'm gonna show you the footwork and then give you a couple drills to make this work, because I can promise you one thing, this is not gonna work when you first try it, okay? So the footwork is gonna be quick, quick, slow, all the way around until I get to here, put that foot down, step again, and then rock forward. I'll show you that again. That's quick, quick, slow, hold for quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. All right, leaders, so I'm gonna give you a little drill that can help you learn this, because this part is not going to be easy. I've said that, but I can just promise you when you try it doesn't look that hard, promise you it's going to be hard. We are turning to the right almost a full 360 degrees around one foot, and that foot happens to be the left foot. That's tough, okay? So what we're gonna wanna try to do is we're gonna get onto that foot. You need to be able to stay on that left foot, keep your spine around that left foot as you turn all the way around it, all right? You're gonna let that foot kind of fan around. It gets kind of like a circular look to it. But once you get onto that foot, here's the drill. I want you to be able to stand on your left foot. I want you to take your shoulders. This is without a partner, by the way. Just rotate your shoulders around your spine and keep yourself onto that left foot. Try it with like a quarter turn, then go to half, then go to a full rotation. If you can get to this position and just say, okay, I'm gonna turn a little bit without putting that foot down, you can actually keep turning that to half. You can eventually get to where you can turn all the way around or whatever you're gonna do. You've gotta be able to rotate to the right around the left foot. Now let me show you this with a partner. So we have rock, step, here's your slow, I'm turning all the way around it, and then rock, step. Here's the extra tough thing. You've gotta be leading her to do stuff while you do that. And I can promise you, if you can't do that by yourself, you can't do it with a partner, and you certainly can't lead a partner while you do the stuff. You've got to have good center.
I have a challenge. If you can do this, send us a video. We want to see it, because you are the GOAT.
Upload it here on YouTube, link it down. We got to see this,
yes,
okay? So
I would love it.
Nobody gets to get hurt and then send us a video, okay? What she's doing is just a slow, quick, quick, and then I'm leading her for a triple step, okay? And the lead, I'll get more into that in just a second. But we have rock, step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, okay? So it looks like I'm leading it from the upper hand, but I'm actually doing more leading from the hand that's on her shoulder, because she's coming to this side, and then I've got to send her back over there. So if you watch this hand, this is where the lead is mostly coming from. So I'm going here, rock, step, slow. I'm catching her on that hand, and once I catch her on that hand, I'm actually sending her back in that direction.
And followers, make sure that you're really progressing here, because that can really get in his way. And sometimes followers, they want to turn kind of bunched together. Make sure that your feet are progressing down the line.
Make sure you're going to a place.
Yes.
That hopefully he has led you to go to, okay? So
just turning, traveling.
all right, so we have rock, step, slow. Now I'm leading her back to the other side as I get to there. Now your hand, sometimes it's gonna vary from one side to the other. I do go from the shoulder, and sometimes, you notice if you face me, my hand will go from her shoulder and it'll slide down to her hand. That's totally fine as long as I can maintain the connection, because it's that left hand that's actually going to lead her. So we'll show you that again. Rock, step, slow. I'm holding that for quick, quick, slow, rock, step, okay? So I have my actual rhythm is quick, quick, slow. I'm holding for quick, putting it down for quick, stepping on slow, rock, step. She's doing slow, quick, quick, and then she has a triple step, quick, quick, okay? So again, her footwork would be quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, triple step, rock, step. Now, I don't want to give you a specific ending for this, because there's so many different dips and things you could do. Just be creative, whatever dip you want. So we've gotten into this position where she's rocking back, I'm pulling her in, and you could do any amount of basic dip that you want at that point, or a drop, or whatever you want to finish. In truth, you could actually just bring her to you, stop here, and then do whatever it is that you want from that point. So that whatever ending you want to come up with, okay? So There are some tricky parts in this, and I know we can't cover it all in this one single YouTube video.
But if you have questions,
Definitely,
let us
we
know.
read every single comment and question we
wanna
get, and we want to help you guys. So comment down below anything, even if it sounds ridiculous, just comment down below. We want to help you guys. Now we're going to demonstrate this to music a couple times. If you'd like to see more country swing, let us know. If you hate it and you never want to see it again, let us know. But we'll demonstrate the music. We'll see you guys next time.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Yo-yo X dancer.
Guys, we, I knew that was gonna go bad, so. The boot camps yet, nope. All right, guys, here's what we're gonna teach you
Do
today.
that again. It was a little mid, like.
Guys, we are not kidding. Those tickets for those boot camps absolutely will sell out. So click that link right there. Get your tickets right now. If you'd like to watch another video on YouTube, click that one. That one's pretty cool too.